My professional background is in law. I am a lawyer and I've got my master's in law. And I've also been a business owner for the last 14 years, but my business has focused in manufacturing. Okay, so I was looking for the new opportunity, which led me to Action Coach because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something that had more impact and really impact people. So this is what led me to Action Coach. One of the things that stood out about Action Coach compared to other opportunities was number one, the systems. It was just a brilliant system that is in place here in Action Coach. And not only that, it was just the community is it's really brilliant. It's ready and set for you to thrive right up from the time I made an inquiry to going to see my ML. And it was just the experience up until this very moment was absolutely brilliant. And that's the kind of community you want to be in to really thrive and, do great things. I see Action Coach helping me achieve my goals and dreams because it is pretty much a business education company backed by coaching. And because of the system behind Action Coach, it's going to help me to achieve that goal of really bringing that impact to people, not just people, but business owners, helping them to get their life back and to get their time back and to really fall back in love with, the business they started in the first place. So I think that's one of the things that would really help me to achieve my goals, those systems in place. My biggest BFO and learning from training so far would be follow the system. I think I've got two, but it's kind of mixed into one. So the first one is follow the system, and the second one is really, really care about your clients. And that's the whole point, right? And this is why it's a big BFO for me because following the system and really caring about the clients is, the coming together of those two components is really what will give you that success in whatever you're doing. So it's not just about here's the system, take it, but also being empathetic, walking through all the changes and the growth with your clients and with yourself as well. I think that's it for me. So one of the things I'm most excited to start doing when I finish training is just to get out there and really help business owners. Honestly, it's like I wish I could just have a big concert and just tell people this system works. So it's just I want to get out there, do seminars, do workshops, and just bring that learning and that value to business owners. If I was talking to anyone thinking about joining Action Coach, one thing I would tell them is make sure that you are in a space where you really want to bring value and help people. Because this system is the whole concept around Action Coach is to really liberate people. It's life transforming, and there's going to be a lot of emotions when you're working with your clients. So you really need to be in a space where, yes, I want to bring value. I want to really genuinely help people. So once you're in that space, then you're up for success because this system is absolutely brilliant and it works.